Okay, you guys. I have my X22 or 21. I think it's the X22 125. Currently it's under construction, basically maintenance. Doesn't kind of work. Well, it turns. It makes the sound like it want to turn. You know what I'm saying? Like the engine, like you hear the engine trying to turn, but it doesn't actually cut on. Somebody told me to put gas on a spark plug. Um, I haven't even tried. I mean, I did try doing it. As you can see, I got a little rust on the spark plug. You can see the condition of it. You guys, let me know if I should just change it. You know what I'm saying? But basically, what I'm about to go do right now is currently about to go get some fuses because my fuse is blown out. There's one problem because I'm having trouble with the lights. Lights cutting on. I mean, I went and got the battery charged just a little bit at like 20%, and they telling me it should cut on. But I looked at my fuse, and as you can see, kind of a little bit the little thing, whatever, popped though, broke. But it's a 10, so I'm keeping it. And on my way to the store, I'm gonna see which one is right. But basically, let me know if I got anything, you know what I'm saying, correct with the little things. Like I'm thinking this supposed to be turned, the little fuel thing. But if I got it right, just give me a thumbs up. But yeah, this actually was a gift. Um, I had to do is just fix it. Basically, I'm missing the throttle piece basically. Well, the other little green thing. I can go get that. The key ignition. Well, the key basically I'm missing. Yeah. You can see I got it apart basically. Um, yeah. This is the ignition and well the kill switching stuff. That's the thermometer. But yeah. This currently is it. I'm going to see right now if I can see at least get some power into it. I mean, I always wanted to know where the hell does this go. This is at the back of the bike, you know what I'm saying? Want to know where does this go. If anybody can give me a little point on where that goes, glad I appreciate it. But yeah, I took the fuse out from right there. And yeah, I'm about to switch it and see if I can get some power onto the bike. But yeah, is this supposed to be right as well? This is for the other one. Yep. Yeah, I think I probably gotta clean the spark, the carburetor. But yeah, it makes the little sound, the whatever, like like it wanna turn it or whatever. And yeah, I kind of just fixed the gear thing, but I gotta see again how it was supposed to go, cause I don't know if this is supposed to be like that. So yeah. Gotta fix the gear and see what's up. Yeah, but it's going into 5 minutes of the video, not really that long. But basically, that's like kind of like the problem I'm having with the bike. It's not actually starting. I'm not getting no power. I did the little key trick, but I just noticed I had it in the wrong little slot thing. You can see this right here. I'm about to come back and, try it out and see what's up. See what's good with it. But yep, it's the bike. Probably might sell it for $1,000. Nothing really wrong with it. The value of it is like probably like $1,500. I mean, spend like at least the rest. You can get you some parts or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I probably might just keep it and just, you know what I'm saying? That's probably what I'm gonna do is just keep it and just fix it all the way up, and then just set it aside. I'll ride it a few times. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy it. But yeah, it's fast, but it's not just my speed. Like trying to get something way bigger, like 1,000. But as of right now, this will kind of work. I'm just basically just trying to figure out what the little things I gotta do to get it running. So if any guys got any questions or any helpful tips, I appreciate it. Been good tuning in with you guys. Appreciate the support. Guys, get back when you can get a chance. Appreciate it. And I'm out.